Montero, or Fortuner. Actually, sa ganitong stage, actually marami ka ng pera and we know may sasakyan ka na yan, but ito add-on na lang to, no? Add-on mo na lang, okay? So plus product redemption 5,000 plus plug and pin. Then from junior share magiging senior shareholder ka. Okay? So then yung rewards mo, meron kang company share plus housing plan. Then from major shareholder, meron kang company share and Europe trip. Good for 12 days and 11 nights. Wow! Kaya talagang exciting to, no? Dahil as you grow your business, as you do this business, no, with LifeMax, no, global, talagang ito dahil accumulated to and walang time frame, talagang lahat ito mai-enjoy mo. Yun ang kagandahan. Okay? So dito, no, as before we end, no, so we like to have this saying, no, sabi nga nila, the only impossible journey is the one you never begin. Kailangan umpisahan mo lang, no? Minsan wag mo na i-analyze, no? Minsan kung makikita mo at saka na-feel mo na may may malaking yung kumbaga yung opportunity to may malaking market ito, then don't too much analyze. Sabi nga nila, too much analysis lead to paralysis. Baka ma-paralyze ka, no? Kung palagi kang nag-analyze, no? So imperfect action is better than perfect inaction. Wala namang walang guro, walang estudyante na dumiretso ng guro, no? Kumbaga every yung guro talagang dumaan sa pagiging estudyante, no? So kaya eventually as we do this business, we learn, no? We learn. So kaya nothing to worry with our leaders here in LifeMax, no? With their experience, no? Talagang pwede nilang ma-impart at saka pwede nilang ma-share sa inyo yung mga formula or mga somehow yung mga pamaraan, no, paano maging successful in this field, no, sa business natin. And we can assure you, we can guide you as we do this business, no. So by the way, i-share ko na lang din, no, yung sa Stockist program, because right now as we do this business, because we are in pioneering stage, no. Kumbaga we're very privileged to have this opportunity and to be part of this pioneering stage of the company. And in this manner, we would like to kumbaga gusto naming mapabilis yung kumbaga yung sa product natin, no? Kumbaga mas mabilis natin ma-penetrate ang market. Kaya mas importante, mas maraming product, mas accessible, at the same time mas maraming pagkukunan. Kaya we encourage everyone, if you have someone who would like to have this opportunity as being a sub-stockist or city stockist, no? So or even kayo, no, kung sa tingin niyo pwede kayong maging stockist sa lugar niyo, no, or sub-stockist sa lugar niyo to start this business, feel free to contact us, no. Okay, so yung sub-stockist package natin is 252,000. So yung inclusion diyan, no, may infinity pack, may isang master pack, may dalawang pro pack, no, 4 core pack, 8 light pack. Okay? So you will be given a rolling inventory, of course, no? So meron kang 80 boxes, additional 80 boxes. So a total product worth sa 80 boxes mo 168,000. So total product worth, no, sa packages mo sa sub-stockist is 336,000. Hindi pa including yung encoding diyan, no? So may encoding pa 'yan, okay? So yung benefit mo as a sub-stockist, meron kang service fee na 100 peso per box every repurchase, okay? So plus you will be given a support, no, one event, no, to 10,000. Then of course sa lahat ng mga makakuha ng stockies, no, sub-stockies, you will enjoy this finders bonus 15,000 cash plus product support $5 new PB worth 10,500. Okay, sa sub-stockies yan. Okay? So, you can now, kung may mga gusto, pwede nyo i-approach yung upline nyo, yung who's the one who has, yung nag-sponsor sa iyo, para pwede kayong mag-umpisa. Okay? Then, sa City Stockies naman natin, package is 504,000. With this inclusion, 2 Infinity Pack, 2 Master Pack, 4 Pro Pack, 8 Core Pack, 16 Light Pack, no? So with rolling inventory of 160 boxes. So total product worth 650,000 peso. Okay? So meron nga 200 peso per box every repurchase. So dalawang event 20,000. Oh, so yan yung support natin din. Finders bonus sa lahat na makakita ng City Stockies is 30,000 with product support of $10. And the good thing with this is once you will be City Stockies, you will be exclusively the stockies of that particular city kung saan mo gustong i-plug yung stockiship mo. So yun ang kagandaan, and hindi na yan pwedeng makuha ng iba. So we can guarantee that, and pag ma-exclusive mo yan, ikaw na talaga ang makakuha niya. And the good thing with that is kung marami ka pang sub-stockies, lahat ng mga sub-stockies pwedeng magkuha sa City Stockies. So, yun ang advantage yan. Kasi volume din yan magkuha yung mga sub-stockies eh. So, yun ang kagandahan. But, on the other hand, lahat ng mga first purchase sa company po, no? So, mga first purchase ng pabiing, then the next purchase sa kanilang, they can have it in the City Stockies, no? Okay. So, yun po, no? So, baka may mga questions po kayo, may mga clarifications po, you feel free to raise up your questions. So once again, maraming salamat po sa lahat na nandito ngayon, sa lahat ng mga newly guests natin. Hope to see you again in this on the next Zoom meeting natin, and hope na makapag-invite pa po kayo, no? And we're excited to announce, no, na palapit na, and talagang we're very excited na mapalabas na yung upcoming new product natin. Kaya masasabi ko talagang we're just in the pioneering stage talaga. Lalabas pa lang yung product talaga. Kaya lahat ng mga nakakita ng opportunity ito, masasabi ko lang talagang pag tinrabaho ito, given na, no? Kumbaga, with this amazing opportunity, affordable, and at the same time quality product and great compensation plan, kumbaga masasabi ko lang, no, talagang malaki yung opportunity ang ma-enjoy natin with LifeMax Global. So once again, thank you very much, and God bless us all po.